Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to allow app to access the storage Android device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to work a third-party app freely, it usually requires your access to your storage device. Now, in order to give that access to that specific app, what you need to do is just simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then you'll find an option that says privacy. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll find an option that says permission manager. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside permission manager, here you'll find an option that says files and media. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you can allow access according to your selection for your required app. If you want to give the access manually, what you can do is go back and then tap on the apps option, and once you tap on apps here, what you need to do is just select the app that you want to give the access to. Let me just assume that you select Instagram. Right now, what you need to do is simply tap on permissions, and once you tap on permissions, the next page will show you the permissions granted for the Instagram. Now, in order to give the access storage access, what you need to do is simply tap on permissions, then files and media, and all you gotta do is toggle on the permission to on, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.